So, my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 just arrived. So, we're just gonna pretty much get this unboxed and try to get it set up and try to do my first impressions. So, as you can see, this is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Yes, I'm switching from the Z Fold 7 to the Z Fold 8. Um, I know I'm giving up quite a bit. I'm giving up the 3 cameras, but that is not really a big problem for me because I still have my S26 Ultra that's not going anywhere. So this just having 2 cameras shouldn't be a problem. The size shouldn't be a problem. I like that it's wider and it's something new, and I'm always talking about I want something new to try, a new device. So here we go. So let's pull off the tabs. I'm excited. I ended up getting this in the graphite. I wanted it in cream, but it would have took a little longer to come. I would have got it probably next weekend instead of today. So I just went with the cream. This is the 256 GB variant. I was going to get the 512, but I just opted for the 256. We all know that these devices don't come with hardly anything in the box anymore. Just get your cable and your SIM ejection tool, which I believe I have the eSIM variant of this. You can get it to where you can do the physical SIMs. I will probably do that on a later date. This is the eSIM variant. It feels different in hand. This is smaller but wider, but it's still a nice phone. And if I still want a candy bar style like device, I can always go find a Z Fold 7 on eBay and pick one up later on if I want another one. So I'm not too much worried about that. But let me get this sticker off. Let's get it. It's a little bit smaller in my hand than what I actually thought it would be. I thought it was a tad bit bigger. But it's not bad though. It's not bad at all. The first fold, of course, it's different coming from this to this. A lot of these are pretty much the exact same colors. Kinda, this looks like a shade of blue, but this is supposed to be like their graphite also. But it looks, I don't know, it looks good. It feels good in my hand. It's not too small on the front. I'll just have to get used to the inside, because this is your Z Fold 8, and then this is your Z Fold 7 inner display. But it's nothing that I can't get used to. Can turn them. It's nothing that I can get used to. This pretty much just fits in the inside of this. I do have 30 days to return this one, so I'm gonna try to do a comparison, and I'm gonna set this device up. I'm going to put everything that's on this device on this device. So we will have to see how my wallpaper will look, because this has a different aspect ratio than this, as you can see. So this is about this, or about right here. It's about what that is. But overall it looks good. It looks good. It feels good in my hand. That's what your hands protection is gonna look like. As you can see, top. This is very thin. This is very lightweight, actually. You do have your Sims tray. It's almost in the exact same spot, but opposite. So this is your Sims tray on your Z Fold 8. Sims tray on your Z Fold 7. I know about the speaker issue problem that a lot of people are saying, because they're both up here. I don't know that that's going to really bother me too much. We will see. Overall, this does look nice, and this should be more pocketable. I don't know. I don't know. I like this design. I do. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Even though I'm the type of person that said I like a tall big phone. This is still nice. Wide, this is still nice. You know, just because you have something taller and bigger doesn't always mean it's better. This is still nice. Like I said, I'm not too much tripping about the camera setup because I still have my S26 Ultra, and then I also carry my iPhone 16 Pro Max as my main, and this is my secondary. So I'm really not missing out on too much. If I really want to take a picture, I can use my iPhone on my S26 Ultra if I want to zoom in. I'm sure I can still get pretty good pictures, regular pictures off of this device. But if I want to do some zoom in photos, I can get my S26 Ultra or use my iPhone 16 Pro Max. But I really don't do a lot of zoom in photos, so that really won't bother me. And then another reason why I ended up getting it in the graphite is because I have the Galaxy Watch 8, and that really does look good. The only thing that I don't have that is the same color is my Galaxy Watch Buds 4 Pro. I mean 3 Pro, my bad. They are white, but that's okay. I can always get the 4 Pro if that's something that I want to do. But overall, this looks good. It looks good. Feels good in the hand. So now I'm gonna peel this paper off. I hate to do that, but I do have a thin born case and screen protector over here that we're gonna get to later. So now let me cut this bad boy on, see if they sent me any juice. I'm ready to play with this, see what it has to offer. It's different, but I'm still used to having a folding phone. It's different. It's different because it's a different size. But I'm going into this with an open mind. I was just gonna upgrade to the Z Fold 8 Ultra, but it would because that had the 5,000 milliamp battery, and I was like, I want something that's still this size with that battery. But then when I seen this, I was like, man, I just want to try that out. Let's just try something different this year. This does have the 4,800 milliamp battery. I feel like it's a little upgrade, even though this is the Z Fold 7 candy bar style, and this is the wide. They should have just went with calling this the Z Fold 8 wide and then just call the Z Fold 8 the Z Fold 8 Ultra, not Ultra, but Z Fold 8, because it's kind of confusing calling that the Ultra when it's big, but it doesn't have the S Pen and it's lacking some features. So I don't know why they just wanted. I guess just to have difference between the both, but Z Fold 8 wide, that just sounds better than just calling this the Z Fold 8 because this is the Z Fold 7. But overall, anyways, let's get this started up real quick. I'm not I'm not complaining right now because I just got it. Feels good. I'm gonna use it for a while. Of course, I'm gonna get it set up to start using this as my device, and this will be sent back. So let's do this real quick. I may have to speed up the video. It all depends on how fast this takes. But yes, I'm excited because it's something new. This is actually a new design, a new style. Samsung is giving people that want to actually try out a folding device, they're giving them a choice because you have the candy bar style now with your Z Fold 8 Ultra. Now you have the Z Fold 8, and then you also have your Z Flip 8, which is for the people that want something even more compact and even smaller than the Z Fold 8. And that is good. And that is good because now people have choices, because you had a lot of people that liked what Samsung was doing. They wanted to switch over to a folding device, but they were like, I can't do that aspect ratio. I don't want to do the aspect ratio. And now a lot of people are switching over to the Z Fold 8 because of the aspect ratio. And then a lot of us women, this is perfect size for a lot of us women because we can just pick this up, stick it in our pocket, and be good to go. So I'm getting my Wi-Fi set up. And of course, you do gonna have that wobble. You have that wobble here also. So that's, that's to be expected. It's because the cameras are at a weird angle, and then they're kind of big. And over here you get three, and they're at a weird angle. But I'm excited to try something different. Try a different form factor. A lot of people think I'm downgrading. I don't feel like I'm downgrading because I've never had anything like this before. I'm just changing things from going from the the candy bar style to the wide style. That's all I'm doing. It says activate your service. Okay, they sent me a code because I will no longer be using the Z Fold 7. I will be using the Z Fold 8 wide. So let me get this set up real quick. Try to do this quick. Oh, duh, it says your billing address. I'm looking for a code. Yes, and I did go through my carrier with this device only because I don't plan on leaving my carrier, and the device I had on this, I was on the next up plan. So I just did a little swap and I am good to go. I did look at what Samsung had to offer. They didn't have they had some good deals, but through my carrier it was even better for me, not for everybody. I'm just saying for me. I'm down to 2 devices now on my phone plan, so that's good. So now it is getting set up. Just getting my AT&T service set up. Copy apps next. Agree. I want to copy everything. Let's see how long this takes. But yeah, I am ready to give you guys my thoughts, how I feel about it. Of course, this is just my first time with it, not even a day yet. I will take it out about tomorrow to work, and I will use it. And I'll keep using it, I'm not gonna not use it. I'm gonna set up my watch later. But anyways, while that's doing that, you guys can look at me for a minute while that is trying to get everything set up. I am eager though to try to see how my wallpaper is going to look. Is it going to be stretched out since this is a smaller form factor? But I don't know. It's cute. It's cute. I hate to say it, but it is cute like everyone else says. But it's for men too. It's not just a girly phone, but I do know what I've seen on TikTok, and a lot of people, a lot of women are getting this device because it is pocketable for them. A lot of them didn't want something too big. I did because I wanted to be flashy, like, hey, look at me, I have a phone that opens into like a tablet. But it's okay, still okay to try stuff new. Never know what's out there unless you try what you like. And this is something that this form factor is something that I wanted to try because I was like, hey, this is going to be something different instead of just sticking to the plain old candy bar style fold. Even though that the Z Fold 8 Ultra does look nice, if I would have gotten a Z Fold 8 Ultra, I would have gotten a different color. That way, you would know that I didn't have, or I would know that it wasn't the exact same phone, because from the outside, those two devices on the outside look the exact same. They just changed some things, the internals of the device, which is good because they gave people the bigger battery. That's what I was screaming for a while, so that was good. And that was another reason why I wanted to upgrade to it, but I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go for the different I'm going to go for the different form factor, the new form factor, because it's really not different. You had Google did a book style like fold. They're calling this like a passport style fold, but Google did this, had theirs, but theirs was a tad bit taller. So this is not anything new. It's new to Samsung. And Huawei, they have one, but I am in the United States, so I only really get what I can get my hands on. And this is what I was able to get my hands on. I wouldn't mind having my hands on what they have to offer, but I just stuck with Samsung only because, I don't know, I just like how it works and I like the features. Man, is that snappy. I like how that opens up real quick. Yep, that's snappy. Look at there, my wallpaper. My wallpaper is already on there. So, yep, it's getting everything set up for me. Oh, that actually looks nice. Hold on. That actually looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all, that wallpaper. Okay, I actually like that. It scaled the wallpaper pretty good because I didn't think it would. I thought it'd be kind of wonky because this is a smaller but wider display. Okay, you're all set up. I'm gonna go home. I don't want to see what's new. So it's getting all my apps. But of course on here it does have my, it's giving me a notification. It's giving me the dock. But I'm going to have to go in there and fix that because I do not want the dock. I don't want the dock on here if that's something that I'm able to do. I don't want the dock on here, but so far it's loading up everything that I want it to load up. And that is how it's going to look open up in this view. But that's not bad. I don't know. I like this. I actually like this now. I really do. For right now, as of right now, I'm sure I'm going to like it. I'm not going to get something and then be like, oh, I just hate it, I don't think I'm going to like it. I wouldn't probably get it. But yeah, I do like this. It's still big. It's just wide. It's just the wider version. It's still big. Still can get access to what you need to get access to, and you can still do what you need to do. It's just a newer form factor. That's all it is. It's just a newer form factor. But overall, it does feel good in my hand. Let me cut off the screen rotation. As you can see, you do get the little camera, which is okay. You get that camera on your Z Fold 7, but